Look at this, guys. Wow. Nice cabbage, right? So this was about half a cup of coconut milk. So now it's down to maybe about a tablespoon. It is thick. So we have here about 4 cups of cabbage, chopped, wash, and we are going to season. We are going to add about, that's a teaspoon of onion, teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of rosemary. We're going to add about a teaspoon of complete season. And we are going to add about a tablespoon of ketchup. So for our fried cabbage, we are going to start off by adding some garlic. This is 3 garlic. We are adding it to the little coconut cream sauce here. We're going to add some onion. That's about half of an onion. 2 sprigs of chives. 1 stick of celery. We are adding half a cup of shredded carrot. This is what it looked like. Half of a sweet pepper. So we are going to add our cabbage. We add about half of a seasoned bouillon. Give us a salty taste. Our stove is on medium high to medium low. You're gonna play with it a little bit. Depends on how fast your vegetable is cooking. We are going to add about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Before we add the cabbage, the other season, we're cooking for about 6 minutes. So we're going to leave this here a while. We are adding our eggs, 3 eggs, to boil. Our fried cabbage is coming on nicely and it smells so good. It tastes really nice. Stick around, guys, to see how am I gonna fix up this cabbage dish. This could serve as a 1-pot meal, a complete meal. Very healthy. Look at this, guys. Wow. Nice cabbage, right? Beautiful. Want some, guys? Woo! So our fried cabbage is ready. Our stir-fried cabbage is ready after 12 minutes later.